Hello, good afternoon. Welcome to Liverpool, England. So, we are here only for today from 8 in the morning until 5 p.m. So, unfortunately, I was all day on duty, so hindi ako nakalabas. And right here we have a Jollibee store sa Liverpool branch, which is uh, 10 10 minutes walk. You see that one yung nasa likod ko? That building is called Pier Head. So it was featured in the movie Amazing Spider-Man. So Spider-Man was on top of that building. Yung parang may ibon. Right, so hey guys, welcome back to my channel. It's been a while na hindi ako nakapag-vlog, but here I am again. So I'm on board Celebrity Apex, one of the newest ship of Celebrity Cruises. We currently have 2,200 guests on board, pero yung maximum nito is 3,000. Not that busy. Very nice itinerary. It's Ireland and Iceland. So it's a 12-day cruise. We are enjoying. Europe is mostly cold weather, but here in Liverpool and from today, the weather is great. All right, let's get some more videos for you. Goodbye for now. So this is our Eden restaurant and Eden bar. So it's one of the very classy bar. It's all the way back of the ship, deck 5. Okay, say hi guys.
Hi.
These are the bar staff. Yeah. All right guys, say hi to my vlog.
Hi.
Hi guys,
Hi.
welcome to this vlog.
Welcome to Eden Bar. Very nice bar. Yeah. Very back of the ship. Tapos may entertainment dito every night. And then mayroon din siyang balcony there. And if you look at that, there's a restaurant downstairs. Just one deck down. Yeah. Featuring fresh and healthy foods with excellent and impeccable service provided by the crew and staff of the Eden restaurant. So this is Martini Bar with live entertainment every day, every night. That's the bar with flair bartenders. So merong flair dyan nangyayari every night from every 8:30 and 10:30 in the evening. And here is the coffee shop, busiest coffee bar on board. It's called Cafe Al Bacho. You guys say hi. The guy from India, but he looks Chinese. He's the supervisor here. This is Girish from India and Kadek from Indonesia.
Hello.
Hello.
Cappuccino, man.
Cappuccino. So this is the solarium. It's the indoor pool. If you don't like to swim outside open decks, so you can stay here in the solarium. So this is on top deck, on deck 15. It's called the Rooftop Garden. May restaurant din dyan. And behind that is a bar. So from here you can see the whole city of Liverpool, England. Very nice view. So, guys, to be honest with you, kahit di ka naman lumabas if you are just here, enjoying the sight and scenery, mag-i-enjoy ka rin. And also that one is a magic carpet. It's a bar and restaurant in the evening. So, para nakalagay lang siya on the side. It's the only ship, it's the only class, edge class in the celebrity cruises fleet na merong ganyan. It's bali yun talaga ang so one of the highlights of Celebrity Apex. Alright, the weather is really good. This is the rooftop garden. In the evening it's at a restaurant. Behind that is also called the Sunset Bar. Ito may malaking big screen. Here, big screen. Over there. Alright. There's this vlogger in this retreat lounge. Hello. Okay, fitness center over here. So that is Liverpool.
Do you wish that I took the picture for you?
No, it's okay. I'm doing video.
Oh, sorry.
Sir, thank you so much, sir. Appreciate that. So we have very nice guests over here. So this is finally, we're about to sail away out from Liverpool, and then tomorrow we'll be at sea, and then next day we'll be in Dover, England. So ito yung ginagawa namin dito, no? We are providing excellent hospitality on board the Celebrity Apex. We visit one place, one country, and another one. It's okay, sir. I'm selfie video.
Okay, yes.
Video. All right. So till the next episode of my stay in Celebrity Apex. Thank you for watching and have a nice day. Goodbye.